Slapdash, how we do it. Hey, welcome to Masibulele Educare Center. Here the ladies cooking. We have some beautiful space now to cook because we're cooking for about 100 kids.
How are you?
In the old school, the kids never had their own bathrooms, neither did the teachers. They were using toilet parties outside with no privacy or sanitation.
Hi everyone, my name is Nwabisa, surname Skaba. I'm the principal of Masibulele, which is in Makaza. And Masibulele used to be a shack for quite a long time, since 1995. It was a shack, and now it was starting falling apart since long time, and then we couldn't build it for quite many years, trying to get someone or some people to help, but we couldn't get any help. But luckily enough, 3 years back, we did meet Olivia in the park, who did run up and down and get some people to put some money or contribute with Uthando to build this safe building. As you can see now, we are having a very beautiful building, which is much more safer now for the children, because it used to be very risky before. The standard is very, very high, and it's very, very beautiful. I'm feeling more relieved because it was stressful on the old building, because it was risky. Everyone, when they bring their children, sometimes I was getting shy when they are looking outside and see. I was worried what they are thinking. Maybe they are seeing that the school might fall. But now, everyone, when is looking on the yard, was looking on the building, I'm getting very excited, and I'm feeling more relieved, because I know they are looking in this beautiful structure. Also, there is beautiful education. The people, they know if something is beautiful from outside, then inside also it's beautiful.
This